It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for a Comeback. And today, in this time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. Helen Keller, who did not let the fact that she was blind and deaf keep her from becoming a world changer, said, "You must face your problems. Acknowledge them, but do not let them master you." Folks, we're in the midst of a series of problems where we can hardly catch our breath from one calamity before another comes along. Yet, you are well able to navigate these challenging times if you accept the fact that there is a problem and then that you understand that there is nothing that you with God cannot overcome. The key is to speak good into your life and your situation and know that whatever you speak long enough and strong enough, you will become. So speak good and keep telling yourself that you are well able to not only to make it, but to win. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com and stay connected to me. And remember, your best is yet to come.